Welcome to Defense News Plus.
The Indian Army has started to upgrade indigenously of its 811 BMP-2 and BMP-2K Sharath infantry combat vehicles fitting with powerful engines, night fighting capability, third generation thermal imager-based gunner and panoramic sights, modern fire control systems and automatic target trackers. It will also include the upgradation of onboard weapon systems that include a 30mm 2A42 autocannon with dual ammunition feeds capable of firing 9M113 Konkurs wire-guided anti-tank guided missiles and a secondary coaxial 7.62 by 54mm machine gun. The Army recently dispatched a project sanction order to 12 domestic, private and public sector companies to produce a retrofitted prototype by 31st July 2022 for user trials. The lowest bidder would be shortlisted to series upgrade all 811 BMP-2 and BMP-2K combat vehicles. The potential vendors list include Alpha Design Technologies, Bharat Electronics Limited, Bharat Forge, Ordnance Factory Board, Larsen & Toubro, Reliance Defense and Infrastructure, and Tata would be permitted to enter into the collaborative agreements with overseas original equipment manufacturers. The Army acquired 2,691 BMP-2 and BMP-2K combat vehicles in total, of which around 1,700 were presently operational. Next update, Bharat Dynamics Limited and MBDA, a European missile maker, signed a licensing agreement at a virtual ceremony on Tuesday to establish a facility for the final assembly, integration and test of advanced short-range air-to-air missile at Bhanur unit. As per the agreement, MBDA will transfer the equipment and knowledge to Bharat Dynamics Limited for establishing the facility, which is believed to commence operations by the year 2022 to 2023. MBDA has a long history of working with Bharat Dynamics Limited for over 4 decades, manufacturing large number of MBDA designed Milan missiles in India. The new facility will have the potential to conduct maintenance, repair and overhaul of the missiles. MBDA designs and produces missiles and missile systems that are capable to meet the current and future operational requirements of the 3 armed forces of India. Next update, Russia will upgrade its Su-57 Phalon, a multi-role stealth fighter jet with advanced cockpit with top-of-the-line avionics to enable to better compete with USS F-35 and F-22 Raptors. The super maneuverable Su-57 has found few takers in the global market since it entered serial production a few years ago. Mark Episcopos wrote in the National Interest that Russia is poised to pitch its 5th generation fighter to China. Russia has already cleared the Su-57 for export. Top Rostec official Viktor Kladov stated China has recently taken delivery of 24 Su-35 aircraft and in the next 2 years will make a decision to either procure additional Su-35s or to buy a 5th generation fighter aircraft. This could be another opportunity for the Su-57E. The first unit of Su-57 was delivered later that year. The production of the upgraded Su-57 is likely to start in 2025. The J-20 is a stealth missile platform which is capable to penetrate sophisticated enemy air defenses in order to destroy military installations. But the Su-57 is mainly an air superiority fighter jet excelling in close combat air warfare that could be tempting Beijing to buy the Russian aircraft. Next update, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited on Tuesday stated it has signed a contract of 5,375 crore rupees to supply 99 F404 GE IN-20 engines and support services by 2029 with General Electric's Aviation to power the 83 LCA Tejas. The company is working closely with General Electric for its support to pursue the export potential of Tejas and also to supply spares to the global supply chain of GE 404 engines. The company stated the cooperation will be further increased with the manufacturing of GE 414 engines in India for the upcoming Tejas Mk2 program. The highest thrust variant of the F404 family, the F404 GE IN20 incorporates General Electric Aviation's latest hot section materials and technologies, as well as full authority digital engine control for reliable power and outstanding operational characteristics. The F404 engines have recorded more than 14 million engine flight hours worldwide and have powered 15 different aircrafts around the world.
That's it for today. If you like our work, then please hit the like button, share this video and do subscribe this channel to get the notification of the next video. Thank you.